cylinder ang nauuna bago natin siya i-shape to another shape. So, para gawin naman po ang cylinder, lalagyan natin siya ng butas sa pinaka-center, and then from there, itataas po naman natin ng clay. Kung paano natin gagawin yun, i-compress sa ilalim, and then we slide our fingers up hanggang taas. Ulitin natin para tumaas pa, compress at the bottom, and then we slide our fingers up, 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 hanggang taas. Ito na po ang ating cylinder. Out of this cylinder, we are going to shape it to another shape. Sa shaping naman, ang pressure manggagaling muna from my inside hand. So, ang gagawin natin, itutulak nating palabas, habang tinutulak, tinataas, dahan-dahan. Dito naman po sa gitna, itulak nating paloob, dahan-dahan. We will go up, up, up. At bago naman po sa pinakamataas, tulak nating palabas at magiging what you see. Sa pottery po, it's about feeling. Always feel how thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. So dito, for example, we can still push it outwards a little bit. There, of course, it's being enlarged. And then in here, to balance it. Dito naman po, pwede natin siyang paliitin by pushing it somewhere in. Up, 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 up. Now, it is a vase. Pero pwede po natin siyang gawing water jug. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng so, from here, ipapa-air dry namin siya ng 5 days. 5 days later, magiging leather dried siya. Babalikan namin, ititrim namin siya sa pinakailalim. Lalagyan namin siya ng tangkay. I-dry ulit namin siya ng 1 buwan bago namin siya lutuin. At 2 beses namin siya linuluto. Iyan ang pottery bowl.